Hello friends, welcome to MacHow.com. Topic is IC engine and its basic component. An engine is a device which transforms one form of energy into another form. However, while transforming energy from one form into another form, the efficiency of conversion plays an important role. Normally, most of the engines convert thermal energy into mechanical work, and therefore they called heat engines. Heat engine are two types. First is internal combustion engine. Second, external combustion engine. First we discuss on internal combustion engine. Internal combustion engine are those in which combustion takes place inside the engine cylinder. For example, a car, bike, buses engine are the IC engine because the product of combustion, generated by the fuel and air mixture, act as working fluid and combustion takes place inside the engine cylinder. Second, external combustion engine. External combustion engine are those in which combustion takes place outside the engine. For example, in a steam engine is the best example of external combustion engine, in which combustion of fuel takes place outside of the engine. Now we discuss on all the basic components step by step. First, cylinder block. The cylinder block is the main supporting structure for the various components. The cylinder of a multi-cylinder engine are cast as a single unit, called cylinder block. The cylinder head is mounted on the cylinder block. The cylinder head and cylinder block are provided with water jacket in the case of water cooling, or with cooling fins in the case of air cooling. Cylinder head gasket is incorporated between the cylinder block and cylinder head. The cylinder head is held tight to the cylinder block by number of bolter studs. The bottom portion of the cylinder block is called crankcase. 2. Cylinder. As the name implies, it is a cylindrical vessel, a space in which the piston makes a reciprocating motion. The varying volume created in the cylinder during the operation of the engine is filled with the working fluid and subjected to different thermodynamic processes. The cylinder is supported in the cylinder block. 3. Piston. It is a cylindrical component fitted into the cylinder, in which it moves up and down against a liquid or gas, used in an IC engine to derive motion, or in a pump to impart motion. 4. Combustion chamber. The space enclosed in the upper part of the cylinder by the cylinder head and piston top during the combustion process is called combustion chamber. 5. Spark plug. It is a component to initiate the combustion process in spark ignition engines, and usually located on the cylinder head. 6. Crankshaft. It converts the reciprocating motion of the piston into useful rotary motion of the output shaft. In the crankshaft of a single cylinder engine, there are a pair of crank arms and balance weights. The balance weights are provided for static and dynamics balancing of the rotating system. The crankshaft is enclosed in a crankcase. 7. Inlet and exhaust valve. Valves are commonly mushroom-shaped poppet type. They are provided either on the cylinder head or on the side of the cylinder for regulating the charge coming into the cylinder inlet valve and for discharging the products of the combustion exhaust valve from the cylinder. 8. Connecting rod. It interconnects the piston and the crankshaft and transmits the gas forces from the piston to the crankshaft. The two ends of the connecting rod is called as small end and big end. Small end is connected to the piston, to the gudgeon pin, and the big end is connected to the crankshaft by crank pin. 9. Piston ring. Piston rings, fitted into the slots around the piston, provide a tight seal between the piston and the cylinder wall, thus preventing leakage of combustion gases. 10. Camshaft. The camshaft and its associated parts control the opening and closing of the two valves. The associated parts, push rods, rocker arms. Thank you. For get more knowledge about this topic, visit website mechhow.com. Like us, facebook.com/mechhow. Follow us, twitter.com/mechhow. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.